DRE number 01908329. Sell your home fast without the hassle of showings or costly repairs, and you pick the closing date. Get multiple cash offers from yourhomesoldguaranteed.com. Go to yourhomesoldguaranteed.com and start packing.
Today is June 11th and we're doing our open house here at 3342 Woodside Lane in San Jose. I am here to present you this beautiful home in San Jose at 3342 Woodside Lane. It is in the Evergreen neighborhood, close to shops, close to the freeway, close to schools, great district. And this home features 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, 1787 square footage, and the lot is a nice big size with privacy at the back. I think what you're going to love the most is the backyard. It has several seating areas, garden-like. It's just absolutely beautiful. You are going to love it. Day or evening, you can sit out there and enjoy with the family and friends, gathering for barbecue or other. A peaceful evening. It's just beautiful. The home, it has updated kitchen and bathrooms, and you're gonna love the cathedral ceilings. It just makes it a really nice view up to the 2nd floor or from the 2nd floor down. It's just absolutely beautiful. Come and take a look.
DRE number 01908329. Why risk working with just any agent when yourhomesoldguaranteed.com will guarantee to sell your home at 100% of asking price or pay you the difference in cash? Go to yourhomesoldguaranteed.com. That's yourhomesoldguaranteed.com and start packing.